Replace BMW E39 camshaft sensor. Hello, today I will show you how to replace the camshaft sensor from the BMW E39 Series 5. We will first remove the air box. Then we're off the air mass sensor. We now remove the complete air filter housing, so that we have better access to the camshaft sensor. Caution! Between the air filter housing and tube is a sealing ring. Then please do not lose. As you can see, here sits the sealing ring. The camshaft sensor is located in the front view below this Vanos solenoid valve. The camshaft sensor is connected behind the alternator. We now remove the top hose. Next, we unscrew the Vanos solenoid valve. Please previously unplug the signal cable. Here we can see the camshaft sensor. We now open the screw of the sensor with an Allen wrench. Now we can remove the camshaft position sensor. And now we plug the cable at the other end from behind the alternator. We now get the complete sensor out of the engine and move the new sensor. In reverse order, we now move the new sensor. Now we screw the new sensor firmly. Please make sure that the sealing ring is installed with use buffer thread sealer for loss 8 so that the screw cannot loosen due to vibration. We now connect the signal cable from the camshaft sensor behind the generator again. Here the cable is connected. Now we mount all dismantled attachments in reverse order again. We now screw the solenoid valve again. Now connect the signal cables. Now we reassemble the airbox. Please pay attention to the seal ring that it is not damaged.
Wie gesagt, hier achten auf den unteren Schlauch, dass der hier sauber.
Please screw the hose clamp firmly back and close the air mass meter again. And now the fault in the fault memory must be cleared at the end. Connect the diagnostic device to the OB port.
Das Gerät per Bluetooth verbunden, entweder mit dem Computer oder so wie ich es mache mit meinem Smartphone. So, und los geht's. Der OBD2-Anschluss beim 5er BMW E39 befindet sich hier unter dem Tacho, hier in diesem komischen kleinen Ablagefach. Da steht es auch schon. Genau, hier OBD. Hier oben einfach nur aufklappen, Interface rein. Genau, so wird das Ganze eingesteckt. Okay, gut. Los geht's. Das Programm Torch.
I use here in the video a Bluetooth hub dongle and diagnostic software for Android systems. I hope I can help you. Please have a look at my other videos. Disclaimer: regarding accuracy and completeness, I accept no liability. This shown in the video operations may contain errors and should be performed only by qualified technicians. Each is responsible for yourself and your actions. Until next time. Goodbye.